So I think you got some good news. It seems there is a debate on its way with Reverend Pastor Lauder. He's going to defend the Trinity, which I will refute. I'm really excited about this, right? But it's not happening yet. So tomorrow I'm going to go live, and I want to talk about why I have been through certain situations and my walk over the last 8 years and what happened and what God has shown me about the spirit within the European people, also Christians, right? I had for a while the idea that I could be part of a restoration, but I feel we are not in a restoration at the moment. I feel we are in a judgment at the moment. Um, so there will be a restoration, but for now we have to go through this fire, guys. Um, but I see within Christianity also a wrong spirit that is very, and I've seen it over the last 8 years. Right, it really didn't matter what I did. Um, it goes back to the old times where you got excommunicated if you don't didn't believe what the church taught. That spirit of excommunication is still within Christians. I want to discuss that, and I want to get a little personal too, because lately, because I have confronted certain people, I get personal attacks, name calling, people who want to just destroy your entire person. But I don't care. I'm used to attacks, right? I'm still here, right? And I just love what I'm doing. But I want to express my concern for our European brothers and sisters, and why I'm even shiver with the idea to be among them at the moment, because I don't see good fruit at all in so many, right? And I understand that some people have been waking up to what's happening, but it causes a spirit of fear in them, and they want to blame somebody and they hate and they go all the way and they're attacking each other now. So the ice cream truck is coming by, of course. um, I'm gonna talk about a lot of things that I've been seeing over the years, right? So tomorrow, 12 p.m. Central Time, I'm gonna talk about these things. Yeah. God bless.